Hello. Today we are going to be getting into the foot and the side of the leg to alleviate some irritation and pain that I'm having because I twisted my ankle 3 weeks ago. I twisted my ankle in a rotation from the outside. So I twisted it in this way, not this direction, but this direction. So when you twist it that direction, you are affecting a few muscles on the side of your leg here. You're pulling them because they attach down here. And those muscles are the fibularis, brevis, and longus. So they go down and around. I'll show you some pictures here of the leg and onto the foot, and some of the foot bones here, touching, going underneath also. So we're going to go ahead and work on that. Remember always that you should try to find yourself in a relaxed position. Here I'm going to do it really bringing my leg all the way down here on the side so I can really get pressure down into it, down along it. If you can't get into this position, find a position that's good for you. But I would always raise myself a little bit to get into it. Don't go all the way down. Maybe some of you more flexible people can go all the way down. But better to be raised up so you have more space here to work with. So always relax in a good position, and then always remember to breathe. Big, deep breathing, bringing air into these places. You're having pain there or irritation, and we're trying to get rid of it to help move the toxins and get them all out. It's by the breath, by the oxygen inside the blood, and moving through and catching and helping get and sort those things out and coming. And also drinking water, of course, and those type of things too. So let's go ahead and just begin here. So we're just going to go ahead and palpate along, of course, for the first time. Always do it to your attention. Don't go harder or too hard. Better to be just easy and give that work and make that connection and give that attention than being too hard and irritating it more. So see, we're just going up and down that line a couple times first. Okay, so I'm going to start actually this area now, the fibularis brevis, and we're going to get into there now a little bit more deeper. And if you have had this, you probably already feel it from the walking. A lot of the times, these issues that you get from a twisted ankle, especially the weeks after, are actually not the twisted ankle. It's from holding it and babying it. So you get all these issues starting to happen because you're limping and you're holding and you don't want to have the pain down there in your foot. So you always have to be very careful what you do after you work. After you have an accident, you have to do all this work to get out of the program that you made to protect it. So let's go ahead and get in there a little bit harder. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Ooh. So now I'm wiggling, I'm going in, especially where I'm feeling it. Getting in, feeling that pain there, that discomfort, and then wiggle along it. Try to help bring it out. Help bring the blood there. Some attention there. For people who have ankle issues or hip and knee issues, this is also something you're going to feel anyways. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. it's difficult for me to talk when I'm going through these things. I'm trying to make this very true for you so I can really feel it. So I can feel your pain. So just spend time on there. Don't just go and say, I give up. Spend some time. Follow me here. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to give a break with that, and we're going to go down here the edge. I'm going to start all the way up here at the top of the heel. We're going to go down and just good pressing in. I see this red spot on my foot. That's probably where the fibularis brevis is actually attaching, I'm guessing. Some blood tissue coming out from the accident. So here we're trying to get into that belly of the abductor digiti minimi. I feel it more here on the bottom of it. You can get into it where it's not so much bone here. Let's get on the top of it and push from the top, push it down. Here's a good spot. Now I'm going to try to get right into that attachment point of the fibularis brevis. Okay, now let's follow that. Look at the pictures, you see that the two lines of the fibularis go along here. They don't usually, me it's not hurting that much there. Also it starts to hurt more in the belly. Oh yeah, this is the place, is the area where I really have it, but it's from holding it and from protecting it as well as from the accident. More down here than anything, so that will show you that more it's the bravest and the longest too. Just wiggle around, always exploring by yourself. Maybe for you it's not you're not feeling it in this area that much. You're feeling it more on the top. Spend more time there. Maybe you're feeling it down. Spend more time there. We all have a different way we hold the pain and hold the issues. Always explore. Always check out some of my other videos. I have a lot of stuff that I'm doing on the legs with self-massage. When we're getting into these deep, smaller muscles or work, I prefer to use the tool, the stone tool finger. I mean, there's always other ones in wood you might have at home. And you could also do this with the theracane. Okay, let's go ahead and do a little bit in the front here. I tend to get locked up in my ankle when I have issues like this. I've had surgery here, you might see there. I've had a big surgery here, so I've had a lot of issues here. I have debris in that area, so if I have an accident like this, it tends to go back to do what it did before, which was all tense. 4 months I was off my feet. So I need to get, so my memory is used to just locking up there. So I have to really work on unlocking it. And so I do that by getting right into the belly there, all those muscles on the top here. Of course, you should do some exercises too, some stretching, some strengthening. All around that belly there for a little bit. Okay, so that's a little bit of what I would do on that foot. I'm going to have some other protocols here and the things that I do. Another video to have the simple protocols I use when I have an issue like this that are very helpful. You can check that out in another video. Remember, you are your body solution master. So you have to always explore, learn from me, these things, learn from other people, but explore for yourself and see your issues that you have, because we all have different issues in our bodies, from our childhood to where we are now, if we're older or if we're younger. It all has a different relationship. So if you like my videos, please share and subscribe and tell a friend. I'm also doing private coaching, so if you want to have more information about this, you can contact me. And always go and look at more videos, because I have more videos of all the leg. Maybe they don't say particularly that this is good for the ankle like this one will be, but a lot of those other ones are actually good for it also. So I thank you again for coming and watching. You all have a great day.